Okay, hopefully you finished problem set number 2 and you're ready to look at those answers and check them. So problem set number 2, here's problem set number 2. If you were looking at the first question for problem set number 2, you should have got 3x and then 3x minus 5. If you got the answer, go ahead, check the next answer. If you did not get that answer, then follow along with me. So we already had broken down 9 and 15. If you look above, we actually did those numbers up here. So the numbers you should have been able to get pretty easily. So what we added to this problem is we actually added the x squared, x times x, and we added the x from this here. Okay, so when I do that, I can see what I'm able to pull out because it's in common. I have 3 and x in common, so that's how I got this 3x here. If I look at what's left, what I have left is this 3x minus 5. So that's how I got this 3x minus 5. Okay, so pull out what they have in common. Everything that's left over, keep in the parentheses. Okay, we're going to check 2b now. So that's the second part of number 2. This is the answer you should have gotten for 2b, 5x times 3x plus 7. So if I'm looking up at the top, you'll see that again, I use the exact same numbers, 15 and 35, 15 and 35. The only thing that's been added to this problem is the fact that now we have these variables here as well. So I broke down the x squared as x times x, and I broke down the x just as x there. So I'm looking at what they have in common, 5x, 5x. That's how we get this 5x here. Okay, looking at what is left over, 3x plus 7, 7. Okay, everything that's left over gets put back into the parentheses. Okay, hopefully you're feeling a little bit better about going into problem set number 3. Come back when you're done with that problem set to check how you did.